So let's talk about this comment and then let's talk about this article that I just did in Black Love, talking about my 100-pound weight loss journey and what the past 10 years of keeping the weight off has been like. Well, one thing is that I have gotten over the past 10 years so many comments like this. So I want to talk about what this condition is. This is actually something that is called acanthosis. And a lot of people start to develop this whenever you are dealing with insulin resistance, especially people of color. So for me, what happened is that it initially started as this kind of darkness that was all around my neck. It eventually went to like my eyelids, the crease of my elbow, pretty much any crease within my body. And for me, initially, I went to a dermatologist to see, hey, what the heck is going on with my skin? Because growing up and before I had gotten to my heaviest weight, I had actually never been the color that you see in those photos. I've always been this color my whole life. So I went to the doctor, to the dermatologist to see what was going on. And she was the one who actually referred me to my primary care doctor and was like, you really need to get a blood test. That blood test determined that I was pre-diabetic, and that's the reason that my skin looked like that. So if you're developing any darkness along your neck or eyelids or noticing anything weird with your skin, it may not just be a skin issue. It could be something internal.